Hey guys, welcome to Login. Today I'll be showing you how to change your Twitter account's password on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now, to change your Twitter account's password on your phone, first open up the Twitter app on your phone like this. And after opening your Twitter app like this, you can see this is the Twitter. At the top left corner of the screen, you can see your profile icon over here. So tap on the profile icon like this and scroll down a little bit, and you can see the settings and support option available at the bottom of the list. Tap on the settings and support, and again scroll down, and there is the settings and privacy option available for us. Tap on settings and privacy like this, and over here guys, in order to change your password, you can see your account option available at the top of the screen. Tap on that your account option, and over here guys, inside your account category of the Twitter settings, we can see there is the change your password available for us. So tap on the change your password option like this, and over here guys, you'll be required to enter your current password, and at that enter your new password which you want to change like this, and after that confirm your password again. But guys, if you have forgotten your password, you can just simply click on the forgot password button available just below the update password button to go through a procedure to reset or retrieve your account's password. You can also retrieve it, but guys, if you want to change or update it after using your current after entering your current password, your new password, and after confirming your password, simply tap on the update password button available over here in the blue, and then your password will be changed on your Twitter account. And so guys, this is how you change your Twitter account's password online on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.